Good morning, students. See in your chapter in this math magic book, this 8-1 chapter, tens and ones. The next one point is Bengal throw. See page number 59. See here. This Karma and Gesar are playing a Bengal game, and Karma has thrown Bengal on the dots. See here. Here in this squares, here some dots are here, and here one Bengal is there. Each big red dot is equal to here 10 points. Here, see this. Here some red points and some green points, and one big red dot is equal to here 10 points. One big red point is equal to 10 points. Each small green dot is equal to 1 point. Small green is 1 point. Then the dots inside the Bengal are, you see here the dots Bengal are here. These red dots here 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 4 means 1 dot here, 10 dots. Yes, 1 point is equal to 10 dots. Means total here 40 dots, means 40 points. And 1, 2, 3, 4 is 4. 40 plus 4 is equal to 44. So Karma has got here 44 points. They throw the Bengal twice each. Here are their points. First see Karma throw this 44 and Gesar 30. Means winner is Karma and Gesar. Second is Karma and Gesar. See here. Again one second one throw here 16. 16 means you take here 1 red point and 6 this green points. Then 13. Next number 13. Then in Bengal you take here 13 means 1 red point means 10, and other green points you take here 3. Then next one number is 32. 32 means in Bengal you take here red points 3. 30 and you take here green points 2. 30 plus 2 is equal to 32. Here also given, you write here points as your choice and draw here Bengals. Okay. Then next one, see this page number 61. The flute man and the rats. You know this story, the flute man and the rats. I want someone to catch the rats in a basket. For each rat you get this gold coin. This flute man said, I want someone to catch the rats in a basket, and each rat you get 1 gold coin. I will do it. Then what with a flute? See here, my Rirad said, I have collected 80 rats. This flute man collected 80 rats. But how did you count so these many rats? How did you count these here many rats? Then simple, I used these cards. Which cards? I counted 1 rat and kept in triangle 1 card in my pocket. Again 1 for 1 rat. Then see here, for 2 rats means 2 triangles. See this counting of these numbers by using these shapes. 1, 1 means these 2 in this time. Then here again triangle. In triangle 1 is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For how many rats here? 6 rats. When I had 10 cards, I changed it with this card in my pocket. Then came again 7 more rats. Then I had in my pocket. Then for 17 rats. Then you take here 10 for this square shape. This 10. And again you take here 7 numbers in this triangle shape. See 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Then total here number 17. Which cards he have in his pocket, and if he is counted up to. This number is counted up to in this shapes, triangles and squares. You see this 23. 23 means here 1 triangle, 1 square, again 1 square, and again 1 triangle, again 1 triangle. You see here 10, 10, 20. 20 plus 1, 21, 22 and 23. Then second one 47. 47 means in squares you take here 10. here 10. 10 means 40. And you take here triangle. In triangle is number 7. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 40 plus 7 is equal to 47. Then next one number 55. Then you write in this box here 10. 10. And here in triangle form of these numbers write 5. Then here 10 5 times means 50, and again one 5 in this triangle form. 50 plus 5 is equal to 55. Then next number 63 you draw in this type of these squares, and in triangles form you write these numbers. Then 72, 80, 16, 41, 35. These numbers write in this form of these squares and in this form of these triangles. Then remaining part tomorrow. Okay, bye.